Hey, this is Mike with WyoFile. I'm walking down to the Wyoming Capitol right now. I'm down here in Cheyenne for the session, but actually I wanted to flag a couple stories that we put out recently centered up in Northwest Wyoming where I usually live. One, the National Elk Refuge just got a huge batch of science that will help them make decisions about whether or not to keep feeding elk. The projections look really bad for the Jackson herd, kind of regardless in terms of population because of chronic wasting disease, but they look especially bad if feeding, which has occurred on the refuge for over 100 years, continues in the decades ahead. The second story just came up last night, and the Wyoming Game and Fish Departments had noticed that for the first time, they have found chronic wasting disease in the form of a dead elk that was killed by the prion disease on one of the actual feed grounds. So I wrote on both those things while I've been down here in Cheyenne. I hope you give the stories a read. You can find the links in our bio, and thank you for listening.